Iron supplementation has shown promising results in alleviating chronic cough, particularly in women with iron deficiency. Research studies have demonstrated that replenishing iron levels can lead to a significant reduction in cough severity and improved airway sensitivity. This suggests that checking for iron deficiency in women with chronic cough could be beneficial. Additionally, treating iron deficiency anemia with supplements has shown positive outcomes in managing persistent, tough-to-treat chronic cough. Consider incorporating iron supplements as a potential intervention for chronic cough management.